Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a open source website called as MonkeyCode, which provides you 30 million API tokens every day, and it's a great Claude code alternative. So this is their GitHub repo. Almost 4,000 GitHub stars are there, and the official website is monkeycode-ai.net. So if you go to the browser, simply type this address. So the interface is quite simple. Once you sign up, they actually grant you this 30 million tokens. So as you can see, I've already logged in with my Google account. They also give you 100 credits as well. And if I show you the plan right here, this is a basic plan, the free plan, which gives you 30 million tokens every day, daily quota, as you can see right here. So which is more than enough to actually try out the actual platform. So this is the actual chatting interface where you exactly tell monkey code what sort of application you want to generate, and right here exactly tell, let's suppose I want a image to PDF web app. So I exactly tell what sort of application I want to develop. So in the free models, they provide you these two models, DeepSeek version 4 Flash and Quen 3.5 plus. So these two models are provided, and you click on run task. So it has its own code editor where it similar to Claude code. So as soon as the application is complete, you will see the notification that the application is complete. It will show you the live preview as well in the preview screen. You also see the total number of files which are created. We also have the terminal section as well. So now as you can see, it is building out the application. So this is the main thing. It provides you with 30 million tokens in the free plan. So this is really awesome because no website provides 30 million tokens. So this website is providing it. You can even add your own project as well. If you have an existing project, you click on add project, just give it a name, and you can connect your GitHub account as well from here, and simply connect your GitHub repository. You click on bind and simply connect your GitHub account right here. So it's very simple. On this platform, you can simply connect your GitHub account and simply edit your existing application. It's completely open source as well. As you can see, it's directly all the source code is available on GitHub. It's got almost 4,000 GitHub stars. So apart from the online browser version, it also have its own local ID as well. CLI version is also there. So just wait for the application to finish. So if you directly type here monkey code CLI, so it also have the CLI version as well. So if you do want to install this inside your machine, it's very simple. The command, so this is a CLI version. So now to install this, so as you can see, it also have a desktop client as well. An ID, you click on download for Windows, and it simply has an exe file, almost 35 megabytes. This is a setup right here. You can also download this ID version. So you can see that it's still developing it. So once it finishes, you will see the live preview in the preview section. So in the free plan, you can just only run one task at a time. So in the free basic plan, they are providing 30 million tokens, as you can see right here. They also have a mobile application as well on Android or iOS. You can also download that as well. So definitely check this out. So go to the website and start developing your applications.